reaction with the resignations of Budget Secretary Bersamin, Budget Secretary Mina Pangandaman, Executive Secretary Bersamin, Senator Panfilo Lacson giving a privileged speech already saying that they were collecting money without the knowledge of the president?
Well, first of all, Karen, IPT, Executive Secretary Bersamin and Secretary Amina, because ang feeling ko, all this emanates from the President. The power of DBM Secretary Amina comes from the President, Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, the power that he has as Executive Secretary comes from the President. So parang malabo sa akin yun na biglang itong dalawa yung tinuturo. No? And I would think, okay, sige, sinabi na, Yusek Bernardo said, ito yung ginawa nila based on the letter given to Senator Lacson. But I think it's time for them, Executive Secretary Bersamin at saka si Secretary Amina, na magsalita. Ano ba talaga yung nangyari? How did this happen? How can 100 billion, di na tayo nag-uusap ng million ngayon, escape the President? Yan ba'y inutos sa kanila as stated by Saldico? O ito ba talaga ay ginawa lang nila as part of the scheme? Because you have to understand, in the end, they will be the fall guys. Nung una, ang fall guys si Saldico. Eventually, Saldico spoke out. Now, it looks like it will fall on the hands or the case will be, the masterminds now would seem to be Executive Secretary Bersamin and Secretary Amina Pangandaman. So tingin ko dapat silang magsalita and liwanagin ng itong issue to. It's a question not just of governance but their reputation, their names.